Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing about the virology, the advancement in the virology research, also the skills required to become a virologist, the applications and also the high demand jobs as well as top global research centers and institute in the expertise. Virology is the study of viruses, including their characteristics, structure, replication, and pathogenesis. Skills required to become a virologist includes strong background in molecular biology and genetics, knowledge of cell culture techniques, experience with laboratory equipment and techniques, strong problem solving skills, strong analytical and critical thinking skills, strong organizational and time management skills, strong communication and collaboration skills, strong writing and presentation skills, strong computer skills including proficiency in data analysis software, strong attention to detail. Let's talk about the applications of virology. So, the applications of virology includes developing vaccines and antiviral therapies, studying the spread and transmission of viral diseases, identifying and tracking emerging viral threats, understanding the genetics and molecular mechanisms of viral replication, developing diagnostic tests for viral infections. There are various high-demand jobs in virology that includes virologist, medical virologist, research virologist, virology laboratory technician, virology research scientist, virology professor, virology consultant, virology sales specialist, virology program manager, virology regulatory affairs specialist. Now let's talk about 10 Global Research Center and Institute working virology. Wistar Institute, Philadelphia, USA. National Institute of Health, Bethesda, USA. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Atlanta, USA. Max Planck Institute for Infection Biology, Berlin, Germany. Pasteur Institute, Paris, France. Imperial College London, London, UK. University of Cambridge, Cambridge, UK. The Peter Doherty Institute for Infection and Immunity, Melbourne, Australia. The University of Hong Kong. The Chinese Academy of Sciences, Beijing, China. I hope you liked the video. Thank you guys for watching.